guys, it's Daddy Cleans, I guess, and Scotty. Carrie is at a doctor's appointment, so we're gonna do a little thing while she's gone. We're gonna organize Scotland's room a little better and put a desk in here and move the toy chest around. And yeah, let's do it. No, dude. Alright, so we got the toy chest moved back over by her foot of her bed. This way we have enough room to put the desk on this side in between her castle that Kara doesn't want to get rid of course.
Daddy, sometimes
perfect for a princess.
Daddy, sometimes when I go
and the stuffed animals that we need to get rid of.
Daddy.
Now I'm going to build the desk. We're all done for right now. Got dishes to do before Carrie gets home, so here is her desk. Needs some decorating. We're gonna paint it white and pink to match her chair. Yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys, in case you were interested about the steak Gorgonzola Alfredo. Basically, I have some noodles boiling here. I'm going to end up putting Alfredo sauce on that, and then when they're done, I'm going to add in a little bit of spinach, and then the steak will top it, and then we will top it with Gorgonzola sun-dried tomatoes, and balsamic glaze. And so I have my sirloins cooking here. We like them medium, at least. And so once that's done, I also have a Caesar salad and some breadsticks to go with this. So it's actually really simple. It's easier than it looks, and it's a little bit fancy because it's got those sophisticated flavors. But we really like it, and you guys should try it. Also, I got this Buitoni Alfredo sauce, which you could find in the refrigerated section, and it is so much better than jarred when I don't have time to make it from scratch, and it tastes so good. It tastes like it is from scratch, so highly recommend. Also, just a side note, I picked this up as an impulse purchase for my son. He loves anything spicy, and he loves mac and cheese. The other day when I was at the store, and oh my gosh, this is coming from someone who does not even like spice. This is so good. I highly recommend this. Get this if you see it at the store. Do it. Okay, look at that sear. So good. And all I did so far is cook it in a skillet with some oil, salt, and pepper. It was 10 minutes because they're so thick. They're so pretty rough. So it'll be good. Alright guys, so this is the finished product, and I'm so ready to dig in. I didn't get lunch today, so it is such a simple meal. Yeah, it looks like you spent a lot of time on it, and it's like really fancy. And again, this is the Copycat Olive Garden steak Gorgonzola Alfredo.